Okay, so I'm doing line dances to holiday music, and I'm swapping out the traditional song for a holiday song. This one is going to be a Hanukkah line dance. So I'm going to run through the steps real fast before I go ahead and do a demo to music. So this one is going to start with the right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Step on your right foot, half turn, right, right. Step on your left foot, turn, left, left, then weave to the right, cross rock, right, right, weave to the left, cross rock, left, left, and then a quarter turn to your left, which is your wall change. And then it starts again. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left, step, turn, right, step, turn, left, left, weave to the right, cross rock, right, weave to the left, cross rock, left with a turn. So that is actually the line dance to Jelly Roll's song Liar, but I went ahead and I swapped it out for a Hanukkah song by the Bare Naked Ladies. So I'm going to go ahead and do the demo with music to that right now. And if I went too fast, because that was a very fast tutorial, go ahead and check out the full step-by-step tutorial to the Liar line dance. I'll leave that below in the description. Okay, thanks, and I would love it if you subscribed if you're having fun with these holiday dances.
Oh Hanukkah, light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the horror. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat. So both the need to play with the light as we eat. While we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance a horror. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat. Sit over in to play with the light as we meet. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance a horror. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat. Sit over in to play with the light as we meet. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long